Hi, welcome to my Monkey Mailer review and bonuses page. My name is Marcel Heiniger from marcelheiniger.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link in the description of this video to get to my Money Mailers review and bonus pages that look like this. Here you have a countdown timer. All my bonus expire when it hit 0, so grab the product before it's hit 0. I don't want that you miss this opportunity. And here I will go through first my bonus that I did especially for you. And then I will go over the sales page and explain what all is about. And I will then go inside the members area to show you the product in details. So first of all, my my first bonus is my collection of squeeze and bridge pages. You have this that you can directly import into ClickFunnels, into Growth Funnels, and into Elementor Pro, so WordPress. That is my first bonus. Then my second bonus is how to squeeze your mailers, how you get the most value of your mailer, and easy to follow up strategy to get most of your campaign. Then the third bonus is a launch tracking formula. This tool is ideal for doing launch tracking, to bring traffic to your launch tracking. So this is an excellent bonus for you. Then easy passive payday, the training that do everything you need. Then how to buy the buyer lists, and of course all vendor bonus. So here we take a look at the sales page. If you're struggling to buy and build an email list, want to send 500k emails today, that is the claim. And yes, it's possible using this system. So you are ready to get real results. Building an email list is really vital for internet marketers, but build it take a lot of time. This is a shortcut, so you can start directly to start sending email to 500k 2 days. This product is launched from Dawood Islam, and Paul Dawood Islam is a really known product seller, and they make really good products. So really from on the sales page you have little demonstration what is all inside there, but I will do it also. Some proof. What is it? All it is discover 15 top sites where you can email for free. Step by step, easy to follow video, advanced type, how to scale up your earning, how to email your offer the best results, never be short of people to email ever again, and how to drive traffic to your offers using entirely free method. I was going to the training, and that is really not wrong claims. You get really all this inside the system. And the bonus from the vendor, Eagle Mails, learn all the correct tactics and tricks to email marketing, target traffics, learn 10 free methods to getting unlimited free traffic on tap. Bonus 3, the 7 deadly sins of email marketing. So really what you should not do when you send an email. Bonus 4, how to build a squeeze page. My bonus, add some squeeze page for you. Then you get 5 killer lead magnets for building your lists. It's come with 100% money back guarantee, 30 days, so it's really risk-free. The price and the upsells, the front end offer comes for $9.95, where you get 15 email source and how to use them. The one-time offer one is Monkey Mailer Pro for $37. You get 50 additional mailing source, so you have a total of 65 sites where you can send your mails. Free VIP memberships to 25 traffic sites. So this is value for $65 each. So you get for 25 times $65. So it's a really no-brainer, this one-time offer. Then one-time offer two is Commission Seeker Rolodex. It's steal the traffic from the launch or from 14 sites, and so you can tape on hundreds, thousands of leads to retarget. Auto 3 Commission Seekers Reseller rights for $37. Also here, in my opinion, a no-brainer. You get 100% resale rights to the monkey mailers and order for products guaranteed approval. Then Auto 4 coaching, $197. It's Solve Your Traffic Problem with mega traffic package, and also 10 super solo ads to over 160,000 to 16,000 members in the email niche. So 10 mails, 10 solo mails, it's much more value as this. Auto 5 coaching for $997. Become a launch partner with Dawood Islam. Most of the launch that Dawood made over 500 sales, and you get 25% of the vendor sites. Normally you are quite break even after the first launch. So really also, if you have the budget and you want to launch your own product, this is something that you should consider. Go now, going to the members area. Here I'm inside the member area, so you are first welcome from a presentation from both of the author of the product. You have access to the Elite Tigers YouTube channel from Dawood, and you have the YouTube channel from Paul. Then you have an overview, what is all about, how it's work, what you get. Then you have introduction in the training, nice video. Then you have the 15 sites, all coming with a video explain what they do, how they done. Then you have resources, conclusions, bonus, upgrades, and an advertised bonus. So this is really a nice product of if you are beginner in affiliate marketing, in internet marketing, or even if you are already advanced. Getting access to the source, to the traffics is really important, and you get never enough traffic, never enough people to miles. With this strategy, you have really something nice. So feel free to turn around, look for other bonus. I'm sure I have the best bonus you can have. Review page, click on the link here. You go to the sales page, and from there on the sales page you can click to buy here. Hope you enjoyed the video, and see you in the inside.